So in this demo, we're going to talk about friction of this block. This block is on an incline, and there are several forces acting on this block. There is its weight, so force of gravity is straight down towards the floor, and there is a normal force, the force that the surface acts on this block. So that normal force is upward at a slight incline, just as the surface is inclined. So that normal force isn't perfectly vertical, it's slightly at an angle. And the other force that this block is experiencing is the force of friction that's preventing it from sliding. So as I mentioned, this incline is at a particular angle, and in a moment I'm going to increase that angle, and you can see what happens to this block. So let's start where we were and slowly increase the angle. And there's that point, this angle at which the block will slide down. So that angle is called the angle of repose, and that angle depends on the static coefficient of friction that's in between this block and the surface. So that's friction on an inclined plane.